you see.
This is the reason why nowadays I don't want to come to your place. Always hitting me with this chubi.
But yeah. But you're the one who bought it for me.
This chubi.
Yes, have you forgotten?
Look at it. Very funny.
But you know, you need to buy me another one. See the way it has done.
Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. I'll buy you a new one.
Okay.
Don't worry. Okay.
I'm feeling so lonely. You call my baby.
Hello?
Hello, baby.
Yes, dear.
How are you?
I'm good, and you? Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm in my bestie's house.
Okay.
I've missed him more.
Okay. Please, can you come over to my place? I'm feeling lonely.
No, I don't think so.
Why?
My bestie will be lonely at home.
So, because of your bestie, you don't have time for me?
Oh no, you misunderstood me. You know, I'll make it to you tomorrow. She hung up on me.
She might be out of her time.
No, she sounded angry.
Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, baby.
Baby, how are you?
Oh, I'm fine.
Please, I want you to come to my place.
Oh, okay. I'm come.
Okay, I'll be waiting for you, okay?
Yeah. Okay. I'm come. Okay.
Alright, bye. Take care. So happy.
Let me go and check on her.
No, but you told her tomorrow. I think she'll be fine.
I know that, but I won't keep long.
Okay, I've heard you. No, let me swap the line.
Don't worry.
So that we can go.
Sure. Let me have your phone. Yeah.
That's such a beautiful name. Beautiful woman.
Thank you.
I'll call you here.
Okay, sure. I'll be waiting for your call.
Definitely I'll call you. I wouldn't waste time. Jesus. I love your hair.
Thanks.
Alright. I'll take my
Alright,
leave.
take
Bye.
care of yourself.
So the door. Please, I'm coming. Let me enjoy it.
What? Favor!
Baby. 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 Please, I'm sorry.
Do not baby me. Do not baby me.
Baby, please, I'm sorry.
See, this relationship, it is not going to work.
No, baby, please.
It is over between us.
Baby, please. Baby, please, I'm begging you.
Listen.
Baby, now I love you.
You love me. Do not ever in your life call my number again.
You now I call you to come over to my place. I was feeling lonely. And you choose your best friend over. That is why.
I should have listened to her. She asked me not to come.
Baby, please.
And I refused. And I am here.
Baby, please, I'm begging you, baby. Please don't leave me. I'm sorry, I never know.
All what I gain is a broken heart. Please, do not ever in your life call my number again.
Baby, give me your name, please.
Leave me.
Please, you don't have me, baby. Please, try to understand me, baby. What have I done to myself? Should have patience. Oh God. Okay. Kevin, I love you so much. I love you. Hello, Calvin.
Hello, good.
Kelvin. Kelvin, talk to me. Why are you crying?
She's seen another guy.
What? Like, seriously?
She has really disappointed me.
I know, okay? You just come to the house. Stop crying and come.
I'm coming.
I'll be waiting. Like seriously? You see, the reason why I didn't even want him to date that girl in the first place was I knew she has nothing good in her. Tell him.
You said it. You said I shouldn't go. You said it. It's okay.
I know. Sorry, okay? Sorry. Stop crying. Oh, you know what? This girl is really stupid. I mean, how dare she cheat on you? But I told you when we were going for her. I told you don't go for her. But you didn't listen to me. Now have you seen what she has done to you? Have you seen?
She has really disappointed me.
I know. I know. You know what? Stop crying and don't worry. You know I'm always here for you, okay? I'm here for you.
Oh, Kevin, looking at.
Forget about her. Forget about her. You know what? We need to chill. I'm coming. Let's
Chill
get
for what?
I am coming. Forget about her. I don't come and see you being moody again. I'm here. You are still talking. Take. Take. Your favorite now, Italian wine. Sweet.
So you know I like drink. So you always cool me with this.
Drink. Take and forget about her. You're foolish. Okay? Cheers. It's a new beginning and happiness. Forget about. That's why I'm here for you. Ah, you know it's from inside.
I hope you love the gift.
Yeah, thank you so much. I love it. You know, I really appreciate you for this.
Don't worry, don't mention. I'm going to shower you with gift too.
Really?
That's where I'm going to shower you.
Wow.
Just calm down for me.
Thank you so much.
I have to be on my way. I have work, so I need to go. Based on I want to see you.
Really?
So I have to go back.
Okay. We'll see you another day.
Definitely I'll come. I'll be coming here steady now.
Alright, we'll see another time.
No problem.
Thank you once again for the gift. I love it. I didn't expect this. Wow.
Anything for you, I will do anything for you.
Wow.
Yeah. Take care of yourself.
You too. Wow.
I know.
Oh. Bye. Wow. Oh my God. That's
Good.
Calvin.
What is in your hands and why are you smiling?
Oh, this. You know, it's a gift from my guy. I mean, my friend.
What?
What's wrong?
Nothing. Just that. Guy, you need to be careful. For this guy, this is what you have been used to get his attention.
I know. Don't worry, I'll be careful. But you know, this guy, he seems to be a good guy, okay?
Whatever.
Yeah, he's a...
You know I'm still in looking at. I don't want you to hate.
I know, I got you. I'll be careful, okay? I'll be careful.
Babe, sorry, since I've not been checking up on you, it's based on work. Yes, see, this time around, I'll make it up to you.
Don't worry. I'm fine, okay?
Are you sure?
Yeah, since it's work, you have to attend to it. You know that.
That's why I love you, because you understand me.
Yeah, I know, right?
So what is going on? How are you?
Well, everything is fine. Everything is cool. As I told you the other time, I'm working on my project. Yeah, so far I'm almost done with about it.
So you're good. How are you?
I'm good. I know you've kept me waiting for long.
I was watching.
I've heard you. By the way, Kelvin, meet my friend Kennedy. Kennedy, my best Kelvin.
Kevin, nice to meet you.
I'm Kevin, as she said. Nice meeting you too. Good. I'll be inside.
Okay, I'll be there shortly. Yeah, so as I was saying.
Seems like your friend is not happy with you.
Oh, not really. You misunderstood him. That's how he behaves. It's normal.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's normal.
I'm safe.
Oh yeah, well, you are safe. You are safe. That's it. So as I was saying, I'm at the final part of the project, and very soon, everything.
Need anything to support you? Just let me.
Oh,
Yep.
okay. I will. I have to do with my friend. Yeah.
So it,
My friend is alone in the room. I have to be with him in there.
you have to be with your beast inside.
Yes.
So I should go.
Yes, you have to leave. We'll talk another time.
Seriously.
So we'll meet again. Sure. Who wants to break my door?
Good afternoon, lady.
Good afternoon. How may I help you?
I hope you know me.
I don't know you.
I'm Kevin's girlfriend. Please, I went to Kevin's house, but I couldn't see him there. Please, do you know anywhere he is?
Oh, I see. Well, sorry to disappoint you. Kelvin is not here. But let me ask you a question. Don't you have shame? So, after all that you did to Kelvin, you still had the guts to come here and look for him, right?
Please, I know all the things I done is not good. I know. Please, I want to apologize to him. Please help me. If you know where Kevin is, just show me. Please, I'm begging you.
Well, I have no idea of his whereabouts. And even if I do, there's no way I'm going to tell you. So please, you may leave.
Oh, please. I'm a woman like you, please. If you're in my shoe, you will understand. Please, help me and beg him.
I can never put myself in your shoe. Can never.
Please help me and beg him. I love him so much. Please, try to understand.
You know what? When you are done ranting, you can leave. And let me tell you, stop shedding down your crocodile tears. It disgusts me.
I wish you would understand. I know I make mistake. Nobody above mistake. I'm a woman. What kind of thing? I don't even know what I want. I don't know I love Kevin this way. He's not picking my call. Oh.
Yeah.
Who was there?
Your girlfriend.
My girlfriend. Who is my girlfriend?
Favor, of course.
Favor. I hope you did not tell her that I'm here.
You know me now. I told her I have no idea of your whereabouts.
That's good. Because, you know, I don't want to set my eyes on her again.
I know. And you should have seen her face, shedding crocodile tears. I left her there.
You were spoiling my mood. Now you have let me happy because you let her know that I'm not here.
Yay, bestie, bestie.
Yula.
I know. I want to go inside. Let's go.
What are you going to do inside? Let's
Going
have some
to watch
fresh
TV.
air.
Always
TV.
television, my telenovela. Are you coming or not?
I'm coming. You go.
I'm waiting for you. Maria.
Kevin, please get me out. Kevin, please get me out.
Favor. What do you want from me again?
Kevin, please calm down. Let me explain this for you.
I thought I have made you clear that I don't love you again.
Kevin, please.
I don't even want to set my eyes on you again.
Kevin, please, don't do this to us. Please, let me explain things for you.
Are you saying us?
I want your attention that day. That is why I've been calling you. I called you. You say you are not coming. I don't love him. He's nobody to me. It's only you I love. Kevin, I love you with all my heart.
You don't love him.
Yes.
So we're on the same bed with him.
Kevin, please, I'm begging
And you are here telling me that you don't love him.
Please, don't do this to us. Remember the way we are before.
Are you saying us?
Remember the way you shower me your love. Kevin, I love you so much. I can't live without you, Kevin. Please, don't leave me. If you leave me, I'm going to die. Please. Kevin, please.
Is
Remember the way we
that
are
why you
before.
stopped me?
Kevin, please.
Are you done?
Kevin, please understand me. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Please.
Listen, Favor, I have been forgiving you a long time. But I don't have a little bit of love in my heart for you.
Let's
listen.
go back to the way we are.
You can never even start anything afresh.
So I'm begging you, don't leave me. Kevin, please don't.
You see the way I'm angry.
Kevin, please don't leave me. If you leave me, I'm going to die. Kevin,
And you will
so
die.
much.
Leave me.
Kevin, please, I love you so much.
Yeah, so for the ladies, I will choose Mercy Johnson. Yeah, you know, she has a natural talent. She's hilarious. She's serious when it comes to the time that she has to be serious. Like, she's a real character. That's a, and when it comes to the personal life, she's a good mother to their children. A loving wife to their husband. Yeah. So I love her. She's my role model. Yeah.
No.
She's also good, yeah. Okay, for me, Mercy Johnson is the best. Yeah, Mercy Johnson.
Go for one now.
Mercy Johnson.
What? Go. You too.
Calvin.
Right. What's going on? Come. Let's.
Calvin. 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 Calvin, wait. What What is it? Why are you angry?
Good. I can't keep it anymore.
You can't keep what anymore?
Good. I love you.
What did you just say?
I love you.
Are you kidding me?
Did you see it at Ijogo? I love you.
Really? You know, I've also been having feelings for you. Yes. But, you know, as a lady, I couldn't just come straight to you, walk to you and tell you, Calvin, my bestie, I've fallen in love with you. You know, I couldn't do that, so I was just waiting, hoping that you also have the same feeling for me and walk straight to me and tell me. You know, it's been there since you wanted to date that favor girl. That was the reason why I didn't want you to be in a relationship with her. Was I couldn't stand there like seeing you with another woman. Yes, that was why I was stopping you from being with her.
Good. Listen, you know we have been friends since our childhood. And I can't let you go. I love you. I will never leave you. I can't live without you. Please.
I love you more. Like, I'm speechless.
Are you
it's like,
sure?
It's like I'm dreaming.
Really? Wow!
So you guys have been using my brain all this while. Bestie. You guys are using my brain all this while. Let me calm myself down. I don't want to be angry. If I see you call my number again, or try to call me, or try to know where I am, you see what I will do to you.